Hey, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting video lined up for you. We'll be diving into the world of tech gadgets and showcasing some cool and innovative devices that you've probably never heard of before. So, let's jump right in. To kick things off, we have a gadget that will revolutionize your cooking experience. It's called the Smart Kitchen Scale. This device connects to your smartphone and guides you through recipes step by step, ensuring accurate measurements and perfect results every time. No more guesswork in the kitchen. As you can see, the Smart Kitchen Scale has a sleek design and an easy-to-use interface. Simply place your bowl or plate on the scale, select your recipe from the companion app, and start adding ingredients. The scale will weigh each item in real time, displaying the exact measurements on your phone. It even adjusts quantities automatically if you want to scale a recipe up or down. It's a game changer for any home chef. Moving on to our next innovative gadget, we have the Virtual Projection Keyboard. Say goodbye to bulky keyboards and hello to portability and convenience. This tiny device uses laser projection technology to create a full-sized keyboard on any flat surface. Simply connect it via Bluetooth to your smartphone, tablet, or laptop, and start typing as if you had a physical keyboard right in front of you. It's perfect for on-the-go productivity and fits in your pocket, making it a must-have gadget for digital nomads and frequent travelers. Now, let's explore a gadget that takes home security to the next level. Introducing the 360-degree security camera. This innovative camera provides complete coverage of your home with its 360-degree field of view. Whether you're at work or on vacation, you can monitor your entire space in real time using the companion app. It features motion detection, night vision, and even two-way audio, allowing you to communicate with anyone in your home remotely. With the 360-degree security camera, peace of mind is just a tap away. Up next, we have a gadget that combines fashion and technology seamlessly. It's called the Smart Ring. This sleek ring not only accessorizes your finger but also acts as a mini smart device. It connects to your smartphone and allows you to receive notifications, control music playback, and even track your fitness. You no longer have to dig through your bag or pockets to check your phone. Everything is conveniently accessible right on your finger. And that's a wrap on our video showcasing these cool and innovative tech gadgets you've never heard of. We hope you enjoyed this journey into the world of cutting-edge technology. Let us know in the comments which gadget caught your attention the most. And as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Until next time, take care and stay tech-savvy. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Stay tuned for our next episode, where we'll be exploring even more fascinating tech gadgets. See you soon.